The sands of Egypt whisper tales of pharaohs and their grand empires. These ancient lands, steeped in mystery and history, have witnessed the rise and fall of some of the most iconic figures in human civilization. Names like Tutankhamun and Cleopatra echo through time, their stories etched in our collective memory. These legendary figures have become synonymous with the grandeur and intrigue of ancient Egypt, captivating our imaginations for centuries. Yet beneath these familiar narratives lie the legacies of other pharaohs, rulers who navigated turmoil and triumph, shaping Egypt's destiny in profound ways. These lesser-known monarchs played crucial roles in the development and preservation of Egyptian culture and society. These are the forgotten pharaohs, figures whose deeds, though often overlooked, resonate through the millennia, their impact woven into the very fabric of Egyptian civilization. Their contributions, though not as widely celebrated, were instrumental in maintaining the stability and prosperity of their kingdoms. This is the story of those who came before the legends, the monarchs who laid the groundwork for Egypt's golden ages. Their reign set the stage for the more famous rulers who followed, creating a legacy that would endure for thousands of years. Join us as we journey back in time to unearth the legacies of Khasekhemwy, the unifier, the stabilizer, and many others whose names may not be as well known but whose influence was undeniable. Nephhotep I, the protector of order, and Horemheb, the reformer. These pharaohs, through their leadership and vision, brought about significant changes that shaped the course of Egyptian history. Their stories, interwoven with ambition, struggle, and resilience, reveal the true breadth and depth of ancient Egyptian history. The monuments they built, the laws they enacted, and the battles they fought all contributed to the rich tapestry of Egypt's past. Their reigns, though often shrouded in the mists of time, offer a glimpse into the complexities of leadership and the enduring human spirit. These pharaohs faced immense challenges, from internal strife to external threats, yet they persevered, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire. These pharaohs, far from being mere footnotes in history, were architects of change, their actions sending ripples through the ages. Their stories remind us that history is not just about the famous names we all know, but also about the countless individuals who played pivotal roles in shaping our world. Imagine a time when Egypt, as we know it, did not yet exist. A time when the land was riven, divided between Upper and Lower Egypt, each vying for supremacy. This was the chaotic backdrop against which Khasekhemwy ascended to the throne, a ruler destined to bring unity to a fractured land. Khasekhemwy's name itself reflects the turbulent times he inherited. Meaning the two powers appear, his name hints at the delicate balance he sought to achieve. Through strategic alliances and decisive military campaigns, he subdued his rivals, finally uniting the two lands under his rule. This momentous achievement marked a turning point in Egyptian history. Khasekhemwy's reign ushered in an era of stability and prosperity, setting the stage for the Old Kingdom's grandeur. His legacy lived on in the symbol of the double crown, a powerful reminder of the unified Egypt he had forged. The reign of Akhenaten, the heretic pharaoh, had plunged Egypt into religious and political turmoil. His radical departure from traditional Egyptian beliefs and practices created a seismic shift in the cultural and spiritual landscape of the nation. His radical reforms, including the elevation of the sun god Aten to supreme deity, had alienated the powerful priesthood of Amun and sown discord throughout the land. The once unified religious structure was now fragmented, with many Egyptians feeling lost and disconnected from their spiritual roots. It was into this maelstrom that a high official in Akhenaten's court, stepped forward, his reign forever linked to the young pharaoh Tutankhamun. I's political acumen and deep understanding of the court's inner workings positioned him as a key figure during this tumultuous period. I's rise to power remains shrouded in mystery, his exact relationship to the royal family a subject of much debate. Some records suggest he was a commoner who rose through the ranks due to his exceptional skills, while others hint at a more noble lineage. Some scholars believe he was Tutankhamun's uncle, while others suggest he may have been even more closely related. The ambiguity surrounding his origins only adds to the intrigue of his story, making him one of the most enigmatic figures in ancient Egyptian history. What is certain is that a shrewd and experienced politician, seized the opportunity to restore order following Tutankhamun's untimely death. His ability to navigate the complex political landscape of the time was instrumental in stabilizing the nation. He reversed Akhenaten's religious reforms, returning Egypt to the traditional worship of Amun and the old gods. This move was not just a political strategy but also a deeply symbolic act, aimed at healing the spiritual rift that had divided the country. Temples were rebuilt, rituals reinstated, and the priesthood, once sidelined, regained its influence. The restoration of these religious practices helped to re-establish a sense of normalcy and continuity for the Egyptian people. A's actions helped to heal the wounds of the Amarna period, paving the way for a return to stability and prosperity. His reign, though brief, was marked by efforts to restore the traditional values and structures that had long defined Egyptian society. By re-establishing the old religious order, I not only secured his place in history, but also ensured that Egypt could move forward from a period of great upheaval and uncertainty. His legacy is a testament to the resilience and enduring strength of ancient Egyptian civilization. The 13th dynasty was a time of fragmentation and decline for Egypt. The once unified kingdom, known for its grandeur and stability, was now facing a period of significant upheaval. The once mighty kingdom found itself weakened by internal strife and external threats, as various factions vied for power and control. The political landscape was in disarray, with the central authority struggling to maintain its grip. Its central authority was challenged by ambitious nomarchs, provincial governors who sought greater autonomy. These local leaders, driven by their own interests, often acted independently, further fragmenting the kingdom. It was against this backdrop of uncertainty that Nephhotep I, a ruler of remarkable resilience, emerged. His leadership would become a beacon of hope in these turbulent times, guiding Egypt through one of its most challenging periods. Nephhotep I's reign, though relatively short, stands as a testament to the power of leadership in times of crisis. His ability to inspire and unite his people was crucial in stabilizing the kingdom. He understood that a kingdom divided against itself could not stand. Recognizing the importance of unity, he worked tirelessly to bring the fractured regions together. He embarked on a series of ambitious building projects, not to glorify himself, but to demonstrate his commitment to restoring Egypt's former glory. These projects were symbols of hope and renewal, aiming to rekindle the spirit of a once great civilization. But to demonstrate his commitment to restoring Egypt's former glory, his efforts were not just about physical structures. They were about rebuilding the nation's identity and pride. He sought to unify the country through a renewed emphasis on religious piety, understanding that faith could be a powerful tool for cohesion. By promoting religious practices, he aimed to create a sense of shared purpose among his people, particularly the worship of Osiris, god of the underworld and rebirth. This focus on Osiris was strategic, as the god's association with rebirth resonated with the people's desire for renewal and stability. Nephhotep understood that a shared faith could help to heal old wounds and forge a sense of common purpose. His reign, though brief, left a lasting legacy of resilience and unity, reminding us that even in the darkest times, strong leadership can light the way forward. In this chapter, we delve into the life of a remarkable figure, Pharaoh Horemheb, often referred to as the lawgiver and restorer. Pharaoh Horemheb not only shaped the legal framework of their time, but also brought about significant reforms that restored balance and justice. Horemheb ascended to the throne after the tumultuous Amarna period, a time of religious upheaval and political instability. His reign marked the restoration of traditional religious practices and the re-establishment of order. Horemheb's legal reforms included the codification of laws and the establishment of a more efficient bureaucracy. He also strengthened Egypt's military, securing its borders and expanding its influence. His contributions laid the groundwork for the stability and prosperity of subsequent dynasties. His legacy is a testament to the power of vision and determination in transforming society. Throughout history, many reigns have risen and fallen, leaving behind mere whispers of their once great empires. These echoes highlight significant events and figures, such as ambitious conquests, monumental constructions, and influential pharaohs who shaped Egypt's destiny. These remnants, though often overlooked, are crucial to understanding our past. Ancient Egypt, with its majestic pyramids and enigmatic pharaohs, continues to captivate our imagination. Its monumental architecture and profound cultural achievements have left an indelible mark on modern culture. The mysteries of the Nile, the grandeur of its temples, and the legacy of its rulers continue to inspire and influence us today. Many secrets still await discovery, adding to its timeless allure. Each archaeological discovery reveals crucial insights into ancient civilizations. These findings help us piece together humanity's story and inspire future generations. They highlight our shared heritage and the enduring quest for knowledge and innovation. The legacies of ancient civilizations are etched in stone and time, enduring through the ages. These monuments and artifacts stand as testaments to human ingenuity, resilience, and creativity. As we continue to explore and preserve these treasures, we honor the past and ensure that its lessons and wonders remain a guiding light for generations to come. Subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the ancient world and beyond.